Stop what you're doing and think about the last thing you ate. Was it in a box, a bag? Did it have an ingredient list a mile long? What if I told you that the biggest threat to your health isn't some rare disease, but is likely sitting on a shelf in your kitchen right now, masquerading as food? Today we expose the silent killers in your pantry. That's right, we're talking about processed foods, and in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the 7 ways these products are engineered to damage your body from the inside out. We expose the hidden truths the food industry doesn't want you to know on this channel every single week. If you're ready to take back control of your health, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss an investigation. First up, the sweet poison. Added sugar and refined carbohydrates. You're on a fast track to insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. It's a sugar rush, followed by a devastating crash, happening inside your body over and over again. Next on the list is a salt attack, a tidal wave that your body was never designed to handle. All that sodium leads directly to high blood pressure, increasing your risk of a sudden heart attack or stroke. Danger number 3, bad fats. Processed foods rely on cheap, unhealthy, saturated, and trans fats. They crank up your bad LDL cholesterol. This creates a sticky plaque that clogs your arteries like sludge in a pipe. These next 2 are a 1-2 punch of deception. Danger 4 is the great nutritional heist. The very act of processing strips food of its vital nutrients. And what do they replace it with? Danger 5, a chemical cocktail, linked to chronic inflammation. This one might be the most sinister of all. They are meticulously engineered by teams of scientists to be hyper-palatable. It's not a lack of willpower, it's food science working against your biology. If your mind is blown right now, please take a second to click that subscribe button. It's free and it helps the channel tremendously. Finally, we have the gut wrecker. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria. The low fiber and artificial chemicals in processed foods are like poison to this delicate ecosystem. You're risking your immune system and your mental health. So what's the solution? It's not about perfection, it's about intention. Start by making one better choice. Read one label. Swap one processed snack for a piece of fruit. Focus on real, whole foods that grew on a plant, not the ones made in one. If this video opened your eyes, the single best thing you can do is share it with someone you care about. And of course, if you made it this far and haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and join our community. Thank you so much for watching. Stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.